If you've been following the NFT space at all on Twitter, YouTube or Instagram, you will know that Immutable X is popping up everywhere. In this video I'm going to be talking about how and why Immutable X is the future of everything to do with NFTs, and I'll be giving some of my price predictions for some of the Immutable X projects such as AstroBros and of course the Moody Krows. Let's get right into it. What is up guys, welcome back to the Bitcoiner. Here at the Bitcoiner we upload cryptocurrency videos every single day, range from the latest altcoin news to fundamental and technical analysis. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing as it's free. You can always unsubscribe and it takes like 3 seconds. And if you find any help or value in this video at all, please let me know with a like or a comment, as these videos are completely free to make and it really supports me when I see these likes and comments. Also guys, really quickly before we get into the video, I just want to say thanks so much for the recent support. We have just hit 1.54k on this channel. Thanks so much. We're gonna get to 10k, and when I reach 10k I'm doing a giveaway of $500 in any cryptocurrency form for the winner, and you enter by subscribing and I'll be picking it from a random subscriber. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So as I mentioned, Immutable X is popping up everywhere on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. You can't scroll your feed without seeing it, and of course that's how you probably came across this video. But Immutable X is not just hype, it has really got great utility, and I believe will be the future of NFTs and will be the marketplace of NFTs that could potentially replace OpenSea. Obviously some of you guys may not know what exactly Immutable X is, so for that I'm going to be reading a small passage of this NFT blog just to explain what exactly the Immutable X protocol is. The Immutable X is a protocol that makes it easy for developers to easily successfully create NFT projects. Despite the recent explosion in NFT trading volume and interest, there are still many barriers for developers and users preventing mainstream adoption of NFTs, particularly on Ethereum, where the vast majority of NFTs are traded. And guys, the main problem surrounding this current form of NFT trading with Ethereum on OpenSea and everything is that the transaction fees are extremely high and quite slow. And what is Immutable X doing to fix that? They are creating their own Immutable X token called IMX, which is not yet listed on the crypto coin market cap website, but that is because it is very new. It has a sale of 1 million IMX tokens and an ICO price of $15, so make sure to get into that when it releases on the crypto market cap or when it releases onto some exchanges. So what exactly can this IMX do, and what is Immutable X really planning on doing for the future? Well, they're planning on fixing governance, transaction fees and staking, and they're going to be offering all these things in the following detail. Use your IMX to vote on the future of Immutable X. Proposals will be published on Snapshot and will relate to the future developments and expansion of the protocol. 20% of protocol fees on every Immutable X transaction must be paid in IMX. If you do not currently own IMX, Immutable will convert the fee by purchasing IMX on the open market. All fees paid in IMX are sent to the staking reward pool. Users can earn proportional share of this reward pool by staking their IMX. And then I talk more about staking, how it works and everything to do with how you earn IMX in my other video that I posted yesterday, so make sure to have a look at that for yourself for more in-depth analysis and really deconstruction of how the IMX token works. But now we're going to be having a quick look at why this native token was created in the first place, what it will mean for the future, and then I'll finally get into these price predictions and analysis of these two crypto NFT projects. So let's dive right in. Why create a native token IMX? What are the use cases? IMX is an ERC20 utility token built for the purpose of accelerating growth of Immutable X by rewarding pro-network activities on Immutable X, such as trading, liquidity provision, and building applications. The token aligns incentives between traders, creators, and marketplaces so that everyone benefits from the protocol activity. And then it goes into the 3 main uses of the IMX token, which I explained earlier down here. And here's just a little image of this staking and how it will really work with the IMX token, so you can have a quick look at that or pause the video for further analysis. As you guys know, Immutable X probably will have several partners, and one of these partners is OpenSea, which is actually seeming like its competitor right now, because OpenSea is the biggest marketplace for NFTs in the world right now. So with it competing with Immutable X, which is beginning to build a marketplace, as you can see right here, they could potentially be competitors, but now it seems like they are partnering up. OpenSea, the world's largest peer-to-peer marketplace for crypto collectibles and NFTs, currently responsible for billions of dollars in NFT volume. By integrating with Immutable X, OpenSea will give their users instant gas-free trading on Ethereum without compromising asset security. So basically, instead of competing with each other, they're going to work together and team up to get a better platform and a better marketplace. So basically, with the technology of Immutable X and then the already popular OpenSea network, everything looks good. And here are some more of the DeFi marketplace collectible and gaming tokens that are all partnering with Immutable X. Finally, what is Immutable X doing in the future? At Immutable, we believe that everything which is unique and tradable, including artworks, in-game assets, and title to physical goods, will eventually be presented as a public blockchain NFT. Seeing a massive surge in NFT volume this year has only validated this thesis. We love seeing NFT avatars spread across Twitter and NFT art hit the mainstream. NFTs are here to stay, and I believe this so bullishly as well. Finally, getting into these NFTs in particular, this is the AstroBros project, and it is one of the most popping projects on Immutable X marketplace right now. Let's just have a quick look. The floor price seems to be around 0.22 ETH, which is pretty high, and then the majority of them are above 0.4 ETH, and then we have some that are selling for 10 ETH, which is insane. We can see this one right here. They're just little animated kind of pixelated gifs right here of these humanoid alien character kind of people. Got their properties down here, and this is one of my favorite NFT projects for the future because they are looking to have some utility and some passive income opportunities too. And talk about passive income opportunities with NFTs for the future, the Immutable X Moody Krows could potentially be doing this too. Moody Krows is currently sitting with a floor price of around 0.6799, which is actually very good for a small project like this. And yeah, these Moody Krows are just simple animated birds of lots of different sports teams, very culturally woke and really up to date with all the different trends and everything and pop culture. But in the future, these Immutable X Moody Krows are looking to have some utility other than just hype, and they will potentially be a source of passive income for their holders with a kind of staking reward system pool. I don't know how it's going to work, but yeah. However, that is about it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you subscribe, turn on that post notification for me. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.